Okay, good morning all students. This is Professor Amar Mudiraj from the MIT ERP cell. I just want to demonstrate you how uh, this time the admission process is going to be get happen for the higher classes through ERP system. So the very first step you need to do it that filling the online admission form through your ERP personal profile login on ERP portal, and then you need to just pay the applicable fees which you will be see in the fees details tab, and then submitting the soft copy or the hard copy of your admission form with the payment receipt to your respective department, and ask the class teacher or the head of the department for allocating you to a specific division, so you will be get appear in the list of attendance for the subject at appropriate level. Please make a note of it that the process of submitting your hard copy or the soft copy of admission form and the payment receipt uh, mm, to your department level may be vary according to the different instructions provided you time to time by the departments. Means sometime you may need to submit the soft copy form of your admission form and the payment receipt via WhatsApp or the mail or any other mode which the appropriate department head or the class teacher will communicate to you. And just let me show you the demonstration that how you can perform this task. So this will be your dashboard, and just go to the second tab, that is a profile. Go to print profile. uh, just select the second tab, that is a print student profile for re-registration. Just make an appropriate tick. By default some ticks we have already made. If there are some changes, so you can just make the changes and go for save it. It will make your one page application profile for the admission process. You just save at your local drive. uh, just open it, check the details about your information. If you may find some informations are not correct, so go to your profile and just make certain changes according to the updates are made in your profile. So after making it, just do the same thing. Go to print profile, print the student profile for the re-registration. Take the printout of it, or you either make a soft copy of it, save it with your name and your roll number, and just tick to a particular uh, class for which you are seeking to take the admission, and sign in on it. Place, put up the place and name. If it is soft copy, then again I'm telling you, you can just attach the application form to your mail or to your WhatsApp, and you send it to your class teacher. So this is how you can just put up the application form. So that will be your first step. Now let's check the second step. uh, in the same left side panel, just below to the profile, you will get an fees details, which tab you have used many times. So just have a tab, fees details, select the appropriate category of fees. So you select academic fees. Here the fee structure will be get appear which fees is applicable for you, and you just need to come below. If you want the fees installment, so just follow the instructions provided by you by either by your class teacher or your head of the department to make your academic fees installment, if it is applicable or if it is allowed by the authorities. Once this will be get happened, so at this level, um, this portion of the part, you will get the installment list. You just need to select it, accept it, go to online payment, make the payment, just select the appropriate option and just fill up the details. Okay, just appear the fill up the details, and once this will be get happen, go just do it all your login credential information, and you will get the payment confirmation according to the need. Once this will be get happen, I would encourage you that just take a snapshot of the page. So maybe your snapshot will be look like this. Snapshot will be look like this, and you just need to save it. Just save with the fees name. So let's say my name is Amar Mudiraj, and my roll number is so it's FYCE, roll number is 09. So this is my fees receipt. I'm just going to save it, and now you are ready to take admission. So these two documents will be get ready by you according to the instructions will get provided by the different department level, and you need to submit the given both the documents in either in a soft copy or hard copy with the different mode of communication to your respective department. So admission form and payment receipt, you need to do it. Once it will be get happen, just ask your class teacher or head of the department to allocate you to the division, so you will be appear in an admission completion process. And again, I'm telling you, the process of submitting the hard copy or soft copy will be vary according to the instructions provided by your department head time to time. Thank you so much. And again, the one more request, that if there are some queries associated with the login IDs and all, you can just keep in touch with your class teacher or your head of the department, and you can make the updations in those instructions as per the latest norms. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I would best of luck all of you for the next and upcoming academic year. Thank you so much.